Hello students, welcome to PNMRC e-classes. This is our fourth session of crop production and management. Earlier we studied in detail about fertilizers. Now in this session we will learn about manures. What is manure? Manure is a natural fertilizer. A manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of animal waste like cow dung, human waste and plant residue, which supplies essential elements and humus to the soil and make it more fertile. Manure are prepared from animal waste, human waste and plant residue by the action of microorganisms. In order to prepare manure, farmers dump animal waste and plant waste in pits, pits mane gadhe, at open places and allow it to decompose slowly. Decompose mane sadna. The decomposition is carried out by some microorganism. The decomposed animals and plant matter is used in organic manure. Advantages of using manure. It enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. Being porous, humus can hold more water and air in the soil. Second one is, it makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases becomes easy. Third one is, manure provides a lot of organic matter like humus to the soil. Some more advantages of manure are, it increases the number of friendly microbes. Second one is, it improves the texture of the soil. Students, by an activity we will show the effect of manure and fertilizer on the growth of plants. Take 3 empty flower pots and mark them A, B and C. Put some ordinary soil in pot A. Add some soil mixed with a little cow dung manure in pot B. And take some soil mixed with a little urea fertilizer in pot C. Pour the same amount of water in all the 3 flower pots. Now take some moong or gram seeds and germinate them. Select equal sized seedling of moong or gram. Plant these seedlings in each of the 3 flower pots. Keep the flower pot in a sunny place and water them daily. Observe the growth of seedling in 3 flower pots after 7 to 10 days. After 7 to 10 days, we will find that the seedlings planted in ordinary pot A shows the minimum growth that you can see in the figure. The seedlings planted in soil containing manure in pot B shows better growth, but the seedling planted in soil containing fertilizer in pot C shows the maximum growth as well as the fastest growth. From this activity, we conclude that manure and fertilizers help the plants to grow better and faster. Students, the difference between fertilizer and manure are, a fertilizer is an inorganic salt, but manure is a natural substance obtained by decomposition of cattle dung, human waste and plant residue. Second difference is, a fertilizer is prepared in factories, but manure can be prepared in the field. Third difference is, the fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil, but manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Fourth difference is fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, but manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Thank you students. This is the end of today's session. We will meet again with the next topic.